Hi, I'm JD Conroy. I'm the host of American Classic Tour TV. If you love to travel, you are in the right place. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and ring the bell to get notifications. Okay, on to our 2-minute tour. Situated on a scenic strip of California coastline midway between Los Angeles and San Francisco is the lovely little town of San Luis Obispo. This city was founded by Father Junipero Serra. Father Serra was a Spanish Franciscan who was one of the pivotal players in the settlement of the American West by Europeans. He set up 9 Spanish missions stretching from San Diego all the way up to San Francisco. His name popped up into the news recently as he was canonized or made a saint by Pope Francis in 2015. In 1772, he founded the mission San Luis Obispo. Today you can walk the grounds of this historic Spanish mission. San Luis Obispo is more than just a mission though. This charming town offers gorgeous hilly scenery with pristine beaches nearby and picturesque rolling vineyards known for producing some tasty Pinot Noir and Chardonnay. While you're in town, be sure to visit the unforgettably quirky and pink Madonna Inn. Well, thanks for joining us on this edition of 2-Minute Tour. If you liked the episode, please leave us a like, and we're going to leave you with a question. What is your favorite thing to do in the destination that we toured today? Please comment below.